Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change the brush display in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Example, select the brush tool, press B on your keyboard, then see this size 16, click the drop down menu and see this size, increase the size, hardness, without hardness, and right click on your mouse, see this hardness without hardness, and shortcut key use bracket, press bracket key, right or left, press bracket right, then big size and left small size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.